During December in Northern Norway, the sun never rises above the horizon. The long polar night provides perfect darkness for almost 20 hours of the day. The air temperature can dip to -15, and it's so cold that even parts of the sea start to freeze. The other 4 hours are a magical dusk which comes in different colours. It's also one of the most incredibly beautiful places I've ever seen. On the days the wind drops, the calm sea provides a peaceful contrast to the jagged mountains. The idea of bringing a SUP here might seem crazy, with such short days and freezing water. But it absolutely took my breath away. And I'd always wanted to paddle under the Northern Lights.